Okay, this is Dustin Mosley. I'm making a presentation today for English 114. My presentation is changing the oil in the vehicle. As you can see, we got the vehicle parked in a level location right now. But you want to start putting your stops in front and behind of the tire to secure it from rolling. And then replace your jack in a secure location so we can lift the vehicle. Get a better view of that a little bit later. Right here we got the engine hood popped. I'm going to start with releasing this oil cap here so it can allow the vehicle's oil to drain a little more freely as we change it. And now I'll get down here to the dirty work. Start with lifting the vehicle up. Lift it up. Give yourself enough room to work, but you don't want to overdo it. You want to leave the vehicle as stable as possible. Enough room for me.
Let me get that rubble. So you put the jack stand in.
Now next,